Hi, my name is Ashley Wickham. I'm the Project Director for the Bentley Mulsanne project here at Crewe. What I'd like to explain today is where we've taken the fundamental design for the project. So this starts very early on with our design team, working from the style concept, making the designs, and those designs are then converted into physical properties and then ultimately into individual panels. What we do in this facility is we take those press panels and we then start the process of building the Bentley Mulsanne. Those panels will then be put into sub-assembly areas and they will be sub-assembled to meet the right level of specification, and then those sub-assemblies will go into our build process where we will then build the whole car from basic panel to a finished vehicle. That process at this stage of the project will be approximately 170 man-hours of work. The sub-assemblies for each stage of the build will be pre-assembled onto jig assemblies where they will be pre-measured, and individual clamps, if necessary, will be used to clamp those panels together, and they will be then pulled together for any spot welding work or any pre-assembly work, which will then go together to make the final assembly. In this particular area, we will be taking partial sub-assemblies. In fact, we can also take full vehicles, and we will be spot checking and measuring all critical measurements for those assemblies or complete vehicles. It is an important stage of the process where we can ensure that our build quality is maintained and the dimensional integrity of the car is exactly as the design requires it to be. That process will then move along the line and the car will then gradually become a complete vehicle. And finally, the finished body in white is handed over to our audit team. The cosmetic finish of this body in white is important for the next stage of our build process, which obviously is the paint. It is imperative that we get a perfect metal finish on the surface to ensure that we can achieve the mirror gloss finish that you see as a finished car.
Preview.
And we then start the process of building the Bentley Mulsanne.